Welcome to Mandata's How Do I series. How do I export to my accounts package in TMS Go? Firstly, we need to browse the menu to produce invoices as shown. Once in Produce Invoices, we need to then select the Accounts Export tab, again as shown. In here you'll have a list of invoices which have yet to be exported. You need to ensure that the box is marked against each invoice you wish to export. And you also need to ensure that the correct accounts package is selected at the top right as shown. Currently we have Sage 50, Sage 1, 0 and QuickBooks. In this example we're going to do a Sage 50 export. We can then go down to the bottom left to download. We'll then open up a browser for us to select where we wish to download the file to. That's the file now exported and downloaded. Cancel this one. You can now go and have a quick look at the file, and here you can see the file has been generated. That's now ready to import into Sage 50. We'll close this window down, and that is how you export in TMS Go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.